what's up you guys? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm here with another HalloQueen look. If this is your first time here, welcome. Definitely join my channel and watch me do cosplays, costumes, makeup tutorials, and snack hauls. You won't regret it. I am doing a Marceline cosplay. I'm super excited. I've always loved Adventure Time growing up as a kid. That was one of my cartoons growing up. And I've always coincided with Marceline. She's such a mood. She's so cool. She's a vampire princess. So I had to do this for you guys. So let's get into this long process. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get this on the road. Let's do this. I'm so nervous. Right, you guys, you know the deal. We're going in with that antioxidant primer from Laws of Nature. Gonna rub that everywhere on my problematic face. Then we're gonna prep. I put that on my body too a little bit. We're going in with the Benai cream powder. This was such a trial and error because I tried another body paint and it was like a liquid form and it just did not click with my skin tone. It looked ashy, it looked cracky, and it just wasn't given what it was supposed to be giving. So I did my research and I saw the Benai powder. I'll link it below. You can get this at Amazon. I'm using the shade Sky Blue. Marceline, she's a weird color. She's a pale color. She's like a gray blue color. She definitely does change throughout Adventure Time. I refuse to like paint myself white, so I'm not gonna do that. So I did opt for the blue color that she tends to look like. I kind of stopped mid through the video because I wasn't too sure if this was a look, but if you guys are really familiar with Adventure Time, fun fact, Marceline is mixed, just like I am, and her mother is black. So I was like, okay, I can definitely get away with doing this skin tone for sure. But yeah, so I'm just dabbing it everywhere, and the key for this to stick, you guys, is that you do have to wet your beauty blender. I do recommend using a blending brush or a sponge. I don't think a makeup brush or a paintbrush will be progressive. It just doesn't apply to the skin correctly, if that does make sense. Again, when I used the liquid body paint, I used a makeup brush and that just did not work as well either. I will say with the Benai cream powder, for some reason, I don't know if because my body is very oiled and moisturized, it would fade away. I don't know if that's normal. If you guys have used body paint before, let me know if that is something you've experienced. So I did have to layer this on. You would probably need about 2 to 3 layers. And keep spraying. So yeah, that is the key. Just keep dabbing and spraying the sponge and make sure it stays damp. I wouldn't say it needs to be drenched wet, but I think it is more progressive when it is wet. Damp, lightly wet. So I'm just gonna put this all over my neck and body. Because I am doing this for pictures and TikToks, I'm not gonna paint my backside or my neck because my wig that I'm gonna be wearing will be hiding my backside and my neck. But I did make sure I get all over my arms. This was a workout. I feel like I was getting muscles. But we're definitely gonna keep doing that. And if you don't want to get on your clothes, I recommend doing this butt naked. I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, because I definitely did stain my clothes. So now we're going to just keep going on. This is our second layer that we're using. I noticed around my mouth area, it faded away quickly, and around my ears and underneath my neck. Well, underneath my chin. That's where I had to keep reapplying. That arm part is gonna be like very tedious. That's why I kind of like waited to get to that part. I have long, lanky, janky arms, and yeah, that took a while to completely cover up. The good thing about this cosplay is that I'm using her original. What she usually is known as wearing is her tank top and her blue pants or jeans and her maroon boots. So I thought that was great. I didn't need to cover up myself in body paint other than like my arms, my neck, and my face. I didn't need to get to my legs. That just would have been a lot. Super a lot. I wanted this to look perfect as possible, so I do recommend if you aren't gonna, get butt naked, just to like make sure you complete that whole upper part of your body. It just looks better, and you don't see any streaks or like quote unquote tan lines or missing parts to it. Taking this off wasn't hard as well. I just went to the shower and it just really came off. Okay, so now this is the part where we're going to get into depth too. So I wanted it to give my face more dimension, so I highlighted. But I highlighted with colors that would match that blue skin tone. So I got a white eyeshadow, and then I would just take it and put it where I would do natural highlight. So now I am going in with the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette, and I'm using their red color. Forgive me, I don't know the name. It's really pretty. I wanted to use this color because she does wear maroon boots, and maroon is like in her palette. So I just used the color boots just to give it some more definition. She's dark, so I just thought, okay, let's use some black and maroon. Those are key points. But I really did like the way the maroon popped onto my face with the blue. It was just really pretty. And then we're going to blend that out with not a proper blending brush, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's giving me grungy vibes. Now we're gonna just do my eyebrows. I'm using the Mented Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil in the world. It just makes my eyebrows look natural and really defined. I have thick brows in general, but sometimes they do get sparse. So this really helps me clean it up. Then I took a white from the Lorac Pro palette and just again highlighted. And then we're using the Mented Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Midnight. Love this color. Think it goes well with the Mexican brand own called Reina Rebedel in the shade Jicana. So Jicana basically means short slang for Mexicana. So if you're a Mexican, you'd be considered a Mexicana, a Mexican girl, Mexicana or Jicana. So now we're going in with the Ilia eyebrow wax pomade brow thingy. I couldn't find my Mented Cosmetics eyebrow brush. Then we're going in with Babs Beauty mascara. I really do like it. And then we're going in with that blue color from the Venus 2 palette, Lime Crime, just to kind of contour my face and give it some nice little definition. Then I'm actually going to use that powder and just like put it on my body just so I can give myself more color, because I want that color to pop. So you do want that to pop for sure. It's really coming along. I actually like this cosplay. I thought it was really cute, and you guys really did like it, so I'm excited. Then we're just going to keep blending out that black so it's not as harsh and doesn't look crazy. And then we're going to continue on with the arms. This is like the longest part, but I just kept going. I was like, I'm going to get this done in a timely manner for sure. Yeah, so I'm just dabbing away. You guys can do it. Again, don't forget, I'm spraying as I go. Whenever I feel like it's not damp, I just continue to spray it. I used a rose water a facial mist to spray that away. Go, 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 go. Who's next? Like, that's the whole, like, when I was doing this, that Hip Hop Harry song was in my head the whole time I was trying to get it. I was just like, girl, just go. You can do this. And like, that was motivating me to do this in like a timely manner. Yes, we're almost done. Yay. Again, I didn't do under my arm because you wouldn't be able to see that.
So, I mean, it's optional. You can do it if you want to, but it just saves more time if you just do the pieces that are going to be seen. I decided not to paint my hands because that's a lot of work, and my house is white, and I know I love to just mess everything up. So, yeah.
Oh, I like it. It's cute, yeah. Okay. So here you guys, here's the final look. We have it. I actually really like it. It's so cute. The Midnight Cream powder, it was really good. It did evaporate a little bit, but I mean, I'm not gonna plan to wear this long. I just want to see how this would go. So I don't know if you guys have ever thought of Marceline being this color, but I just say she's got a tan, but I actually think it looks really good. So I'm really actually excited with the outcome. I love the wig. I'll link it down below. I got it from Amazon, and I'll link down everything I used. It was really easy. And this shirt I got is thrifted. I actually got this from the thrift store, and it's the brand Aerie. I got this a long time ago, but I thought this was the perfect tank top for her. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. This is like a cute little $12 wig. It's cute. But oh wait, I have to add the marks. Hold up, wait a minute. Cute, so cute. Really is. That's cute. So there you guys, there we have it. This is my Marceline Adventure Time cosplay. I hope you guys like it so much. I didn't get the guitar, but they have it online and it looks awesome. I love her. But yeah, so this was my 5th or 4th HalloQueen look. Stay tuned for more. I'm so excited. I'm glad you guys are liking these. This is awesome. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Until then, bye. Later.